Hello kids, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Alhamdulillah. I'm fine, thank you. It's me, Bushra. Welcome to today's English class.
What's your name? What's your favorite color? What are you doing? What is the price of an Apple Watch? Are you thinking why the teacher is asking so many questions? That's because today we are going to learn interrogative word or question word. Are you all ready? Yes, let's start. All of you look at these sentences. What's your name? What's your favorite color? What are you doing? What is the price of an Apple Watch? All these sentences are question sentences. Question sentences start with some special words that is called question words and it ends with a question mark. Today we are going to learn interrogative word or question word what. Okay kids? If you are asking a question regarding what, the answer should be a very specific information. Like if I'm asking you a question, what's your name? I require a specific answer. That means I want to know your name. Then what will be your answer? Yeah, you'll say, my name is Fatima, or I am Muhammad, or I am Jaza, and so on. Or if I ask you, what's your favorite color? There I wanted to know the exact color you like the most. I'll say my favorite color is white. Maybe your favorite color is red, pink, or green, like that. Then how will you answer? My favorite color is red, or my favorite color is pink, or so on. Okay, now tell me, what are you doing? Yes, maybe your answer is I'm listening, or I'm playing, or I'm eating, I'm dancing, I'm running, like that. That is the exact information you have to give for that question. Because that is what you are doing at that time. So, what you have understood from this? The question word what is used to refer to know the name of a person, thing or information. Right kids? Now all of you turn to page number 24. Ready? I'll ask you some questions. You have to give me answers, okay? What is that? Bird, very good. That is a bird. What is this? Ant, right. This is an ant. What color is this bag? Green, very good. This bag is green in color. What is he doing? He is writing. What is she eating? Mango, right. She is eating a mango. Excellent. You all are very good students. Now let's read a passage. You all have to read with me. Let's start. R A Ra J Raj is a B O boy. Raj is a boy. Raj is a boy. his. His. Dog. Dog. Is. Tommy. Tommy. His dog is Tommy. His dog is Tommy. Tommy. Tommy is a white dog. Tommy is a white dog. Tommy is a white dog. Read once again. Raj is a boy. Raj is a boy. His dog is Tommy. Tommy is a white dog.
Let me ask you some questions. What is a boy's name? Yes, tell me. What's the boy's name? Raj. Very good. The boy's name is Raj. What is his dog's name? Mashallah, Tommy. His dog's name is Tommy. What is its color? Is it red? No. Its color is white. Its color is white. Very good, mashallah. Great. Now all of you look at page number 25. What are the things you can see in this picture? Yes, a girl is standing there. House. Apple. Mango. Yes, orange. Flowers. Duck. Fish. Water. Very good, superb. Do you know the girl's name? No? Her name is Reema. Her name is Reema. And this is her garden. Can you see her house? Yes. We can see her house. And there are so many trees, flowers, and a pond in her garden. How is her garden? Is it beautiful? Yes, it looks very beautiful. Let me read a passage now. All of you should listen to me very carefully. Because after reading this passage, I'll ask you some questions. So, all of you should listen to me very carefully, okay, kids? Reema has a garden. It has a pond in it. There is an orange tree in her garden. There is an apple tree near the pond. There is a big mango tree near her house. Let me read once again. Reema has a garden. Reema has a garden. It has a pond in it. It has a pond in it. There is an orange tree in her garden. There is an orange tree in her garden. There is an apple tree near the pond. There is an apple tree near the pond. There is a big mango tree in her house. There is a big mango tree near her house. Now may I ask you some questions regarding this passage? You all have to give me the answers. Okay, kids? Okay. First question is, what does Rima have? What does Rima have? Garden, right. Rima has a garden. What is there in the garden? Yes, tell me the answer. What is there in the garden? Orange tree. Very good. There is an orange tree in her garden. What is there near the pond? What is there near the pond? See? Apple tree. There is an apple tree near the pond. Then, what is near her house? What's there near her house? A big mango tree. There is a big mango tree near her house. Marvelous! You all attended very well. Let me conclude for today. Today in this class, you have learned how to use the question word what. All of you should practice the lesson thoroughly. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Bye.